Hello everyone, my name is Dheeraj, and in this video I am going to show you a complete AI-powered reminder system that I have built using Django, Redis and Celery. But this is not just a basic reminder application. You can literally speak something like remind me to call my mom at 5 p.m. and our system understands it, schedules it, and sends the notification through multiple channels. I'll show you complete working demo and the features and breakdown of the complete system architecture step by step. So now let's start understanding the complete system architecture of Notiflow. All the components you can see here are running inside a Docker container, which allows them to communicate with each other efficiently. Starting from the top, we have a user. The user interacts with systems. They can either type a reminder or use a voice input like remind me to call my mom at 5 p.m. This request sent to the backend using HTTP request. This request is received by the Django application, which acts as a central brain of the system. Here the request is processed, validated, routed to the appropriate logic. If the user gives voice input, Django using Web Speech API first converts the speech into the text. This converted text is then sent to the backend. This input is sent to the Gemini API. This AI model converts the neural language input into structured data. For example, remind me to call my mom at tomorrow at 5 p.m. is converted into like task call mom, date tomorrow, and time is 5 p.m. This makes the system intelligent and user friendly. Once the data is structured, it's stored into the PostgreSQL. This database stores all the information like users, reminders, notifications, history. So this acts as a persistent data storage system. Now instead of executing everything immediately, Django sends the task to Redis. Redis acts as a message broker or queue. This means tasks are stored temporarily and processed later, which improves the performance and scalability. Celery worker continuously listening to the Redis, and whenever new task arrives, the worker picks up the task and executes it. It includes like sending email notification, sending SMS, triggering in-app alerts. This happens in the background, so user doesn't have to wait, and the salary worker communicates with the external services for SMS sending. It uses Twilio for email notification. It uses SMTP server like Gmail. This enables multi-channel communication with the user. Now for scheduling reminder, we have Celery Beat. It continuously checks for upcoming reminders. When the reminder time is reached, it pushes the task into the Redis. Then the worker executes it at the correct time. Celery Beat can also do tasks like sending weekly analytics, emailing failed job retries with exponential backup, reminder cleanup, and archival. To monitor everything, we use Flower. It provides the dashboard and we can see running task, completed task, failed task. This helps debugging and maintaining system. Finally, after everything is processed, the user receives the response. This might be a confirmation on the UI, or notification alert, or email, or SMS. So entire system works in a smooth and asynchronous flow. To summarize all the things, all the complete flow, user sends the request, voice converted into text, Django processes it, AI understands it, data is stored, task goes to Redis, salary worker executes it, notification is delivered. This architecture ensures that the system is scalable, efficient, and non-blocking. So now that we understand the system architecture, let's see how this is working in the real application. So this is the main dashboard of Notiflow. Here users can see all the reminders, manage them, and create new ones. The interface is designed to be simple and easy to use. Let me show you the most interesting feature, which is voice-based reminder creation. In this system, we use wake word detection, which is OK flow. So I will activate it and say, OK flow, remind me to go to gym tomorrow at 10 a.m. You can see the system detects the wake word, start listening, and captures my voice. Then it converts the speech into text in real time. This text is sent to the backend where AI processes it, and within a second, the reminder is created successfully.
Perfect. I'll remind you to me to go to gym.
The reminder is created successfully. with the correct task, date, and time. This shows how the neural language input converted into the structured data. When the scheduled time arrives, the system triggers a notification. This includes smart in-app alert with sound and voice in output. The reminder message is spoken up to 4 times until I manually stops it.
Hey. Just a reminder to go to gym. Hey. Just a reminder to go to gym. Hey. Just a reminder to go to gym.
There is also snooze option and auto dismiss functionality. Along with this, the system can also send email notification and SMS notification. All of this happens automatically in the background by the Celery workers. Here, we can actually see the upcoming reminders with the title, message, and the time, and whether it is in-app alert, status of it, and repetition. Like some notification are daily, some notifications are weekly, some notification are monthly, and we can actually cancel the notifications, and we can actually create a new notification manually as well. And along with this, in the right side, we have recent alerts. Here we can see the recent alerts with all alerts, unread alerts, read alerts. We can actually create a reminder by typing also. Here we just have to type the reminder and click on generate. The system will automatically generate the reminder. So now you can see all the services are running inside a Docker container. You can see the Celery, Beat, App, Flower, and PostgreSQL and Redis, which are combined in the one Docker container. And with the help of Docker network, all the services are communicating with each other. In the admin panel, I have configured Celery Beat to run and schedule the task. For this demo, I am running cleanup task after every 3 seconds. This helps us clearly see how tasks are continuously being scheduled. And if we open the Flower dashboard, we can see that Celery workers are continuously listening, picking the tasks from the queue and executing them. You can observe tasks appearing in real time, getting executed, and their status is being updated. This demonstrates how the system handles background jobs independently of the user request. Now let's take a quick look at the code. First we have models. Here we define the reminder model, which stores task details, date, time, and status. Then we have the views and API points, which handles the user request. For background processing, we use Celery. Inside the task file, we define the functions like sending emails or triggering notifications. These tasks are pushed to Redis and executed by the workers. We also configured Celery Beat for scheduling reminders. And for AI processing, we integrated with the Gemini API. So overall, the code is modular and follows the clean architecture principles. So everything which you saw in the architecture diagram, it's actually implemented in the code. So that was Notiflow. And if you found this useful, you can check out the full source code on my GitHub. And if you are preparing for interviews, I highly recommend building projects like this because they help you understand both development and system design. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.